Yo, what is up guys? Hope you guys are doing well. It's your boy Forrest coming at you with a brand new video. And in today's video, I'm going to be going over the fastest and easiest way to open an LLC. Now, the best part is it's completely free and you won't have to give any labor costs whatsoever. Now, there's going to be a lot of people out there that's going to say it's super difficult, don't worry about it and just let the professionals handle it, but that's not the case. You can do it yourself for in about like 10 to 20 minutes and you won't have to give any labor costs whatsoever. So what is an LLC? An LLC stands for Limited Liability Company, and what it does is it protects you and your business in case anything happens. Now, do you really need an LLC? Yes, you can run your own business through your personal taxes, but you're going to be at fault if anything happens. So in case you get sued, your personal assets are also liable. But with an LLC, you can be more protected. And as I said, it only takes like 10 to 20 minutes. So why not do it and protect you and your business? The most popular option when creating a business is an LLC. And that's what I'm going to be talking about and showing you how to create in today's video. But one of the main advantages of opening an LLC for your business is that your personal assets are never held liable. So let's say, God forbid, your business gets sued for whatever reason. The company or the person can only come after what your business owns and the profit it has. It cannot come after your personal assets such as your cars, your home, etc. It can only come after what the business owns. Hence the name limited liability. It can only come after your business's assets, which can be a huge relief in case anything were to happen. You won't end up losing your home and becoming homeless. Another advantage of opening an LLC is the tax advantages. You can write off a lot of things that you purchase for your business, but I won't get into all that because that can get very technical. So if you guys want to know how you guys can save money on taxes with an LLC, there's plenty of YouTube videos online that you guys can check out. So the way I'm going to be showing you is not just for an LLC. You can also create an S Corp, a corporation, whatever type of business that you want. And the best part is this is the exact way I used to create my LLCs. A lot of my friends and family ask me, what's the best way to open an LLC? And I send them this way as well. If you guys have been watching my videos, you guys know I'm huge on side hustles and actually have a decent amount of money coming in through my businesses. So it's important that I utilize as many resources as I can that can help me save money on taxes and other advantages. One of the ways I do that is through an LLC. That's enough for the introduction, so let me hop onto my computer and show you guys exactly how to do it. But before you do that, make sure you smash that like button. If you guys are new to the channel, I make videos all about finance, entrepreneurship, investing, so make sure you subscribe as well. So let's head on to my computer. Alright, so I'm on my computer now and I have the page pulled up. So what you're going to want to do is I'm going to put the exact link to this page that I'm on right now in the description down below. So if you want to follow along, just hit the link and it'll open you up to this page. Also, if you guys are planning on opening it right now, I suggest using a computer because it can make the process a lot simpler. But if you want to use your phone, you can do that as well. So once you're on this page, I also wanted to mention the story. So when I was first looking to find an LLC, I actually went out and found a lawyer and asked how much he would charge. And he says it would be $200 plus state fees, and I'm like, what? So I knew that I could find places for a lot cheaper, so I went digging, ended up finding a place called Incfile.com, which tremendously changed my life. So I'm going to walk you through how you guys can open your LLC, so just follow along if you guys want to do it. So once you hit the link and you're on this page, you're going to want to hit launch my business. And then you're going to pull it. It's going to open you up to a page like this, and you're going to choose which type of business you would like. So for me, for this example, I'm going to be using LLC and then the state of formation. So what state are you filing this in? So I'm in Illinois, so I'm going to choose Illinois. Once you do that, all the packages they have available will open up. So the thing is, each state has a state fee and there's nothing around it. You have to pay a state fee. So each state is going to have a different fee. So as you can see, Illinois state fee is $154. So if I go to Colorado, it's going to be $50. It all depends on where you live. So let me go back to Illinois. So what you're going to want to do is go through the packages and see which one you like. So they're going to have a silver, gold, and platinum package. The silver package is pretty much free. You get that for free. All you're doing is paying for the state fee, and with that, your articles of organization, they'll do everything for you. You get unlimited name searches and a free registered agent service for a year. Second, you're going to have the gold package. Now this is going to cost $149 plus your state fee, which is going to total to $303. And with this, you get a little more stuff. So you get your EIN, business tax number, which if you open an LLC, you should actually get an EIN, because with that EIN, it's basically like your social security number for your business. So you can use that to create business bank accounts, and whenever you need to upload your EIN for for PayPal or whatever service that you need, you can use your EIN number. You also get the IRS form 2553. You get operating agreement, banking resolution, shipping. You get all these extra stuff stuff that you can get with the gold package. And they also have a platinum package, which is everything plus a little of this extra stuff. So that's going to be $299 plus the state fee of $154, which is going to be $453. Also, if you have an LLC, it renews every year. You have to pay a renewal fee, and that is also different by state. So for me, it's going to be $78 annual renewal fee. So if you go through the list, you can see that pretty much all of these get everything in this area. So all these services you guys can get with it for whatever package you want. They do offer amazing stuff, such as, you know, registered agent service for a year if you guys want to get that. They'll obviously do your LLC work. You can also open a bank account with Bank of America and get up to a $450 value, which is actually really good if you're thinking of opening a business bank account. Now, let's say that you go with the silver package. There's some stuff you're not going to be able to get, such as these stuff over here. So what you can do is pay extra just for that stuff. So as I said, the EIN number, you know, you should really get it, but there is a way to do it for free. You have to go to the IRS website. I'll show you how to do it. It's super simple. You can do it for free and you get it instantly. This is just for, you know, if you don't want to spend too much time and the convenience sake, you can pay Incfile $70 extra and they'll do it for you. You can go through this and see which type of stuff that you want, but for this example, I'm gonna go with the gold package. So all you're gonna do is hit the get the gold package, and you're gonna have to fill in all your information. I'm gonna block all my stuff out, but all you're gonna want to do is put in all your information, mailing address. As I said, it doesn't take long at all. Continue with suggested address. So what you can do is, if you're in a rush, you can actually get it in one business today. So that's going to be $152 if you are in a rush and need it. But if you're in no rush, you can get the 2 weeks filing time. For me, it says 2 weeks for Illinois, and I would get it by Thursday, October 29th. So I'm going to go with the free option and hit next. Once you're over here, you're going to want to create an LLC name. So for this example, I'm just going to put Best Accounting Services, something simple like that. And what you're going to want to do is, it's going to ask for select designator. So this is what you want at the end of your name. So Best Accounting Services L.L.C, limited liability company, or LLC. I think LLC is the best way to go. So this is how it would look. And then you can choose your business type. So for this, obviously be accounting. If you have more than one people or owners, you could do one or multiple, and a business purpose. So basically what you're doing, I will provide accounting services to my customers. Something simple like this you can just put over here. Now what you can also do is get a virtual address. Now if you don't want to use your own personal address, what Incfile does is it goes out and finds a virtual address. So for me, it will be in Chicago, and any address that goes there will come back to your mail, but on paper and everywhere, this will be your business address. So if you don't want people to know where you're operating from or anything, you guys can opt in to get a virtual address, which is actually pretty cool. It's awesome, but it's gonna be $29 a month. So for this example, I'm gonna use my own address, and if you pre-populate address, it will come up over here, and what you're going to want to do is hit next. Now it's just going to ask for more members. If you fill this out, you can just pre-populate all this in. If you're the 100% owner, you can pre-populate this in. Next, you're going to want to hit next. Next is going to ask for a registered agent. Now, so what a registered agent is, it collects all your tax information. If you get a lawsuit, all your legal stuff, all of it goes to them, and they collect everything. So Incfile is awesome. So you get 1 full year of registered agent service for free, which is $119. So you guys can go with the free way. I advise, if you guys don't have like an accountant or someone looking over your legal stuff, just go with the free option. It's free, so why not? If you do, you could just act as your own agent. So if you don't want to go that free route, you can get all your stuff sent to your house, and you guys can look at it that way. So for this example, I'm gonna get the free route and hit next. Once you hit next, it's gonna advise you to fill in a lot of your personal information. So this is where I'm not gonna go in as much, because it gets pretty self-explanatory. So first name, last name, social security number. It's gonna ask for your physical address again, and it's gonna ask for your principal business activity. So this is obviously like what you're planning on doing. So for me, I was doing accounting, so that would be considered, or we'll do finance for this. Once you hit next, it's gonna take you on to the next step of the process. As you can see, we're 55% through. I would go on more, but I don't want to create another LLC, so I'm going to stop over here. But like I said, the beginning steps are what's kind of important, but even then, that was super simple to do. Once you choose your principal business activity, you're going to want to hit next, and it's going to take you on to the next step. And trust me, it's pretty simple. As you saw it with Incfile, Incfile. They walk you through exactly what each thing meant, and it's super simple to do. So the rest of it, I guarantee you guys can walk through it. It's super simple. As I said, I really love this website and how simple they make it, and you guys will just fill out this information. Once your LLC is made and everything is sent, they'll send you an email saying, hey, your LLC is made, congratulations, and you can check everything. They have their own login portal, and you can check all your papers and information on there. So depending on what time you took, it could take a couple weeks, or if you choose the expedited one, it will take a day and you guys can get it the next day. Now, I mentioned that important to get an EIN number. You guys can get it through Incfile if you guys don't mind paying the convenience. They'll do everything for you and you guys don't have to worry about anything. But if you want to save the $70, what you can do is go to irs.gov. I'll leave a link to this down below as well. What you're going to want to do is go to File and Business and Self-Employed, and you're going to want to hit Employer EIN number. Now what you're going to want to do is apply for EIN number. Now the thing is, you can only apply for this Monday through Friday, 7 to 10 p.m. I am on the weekend right now, so I can't apply for this. It's super simple as well. All you're going to want to do is go through the information, plug in the information. It's best that you make this after you create your LLC, because it's going to ask for your LLC name, and you don't want to put in a name when it's not yet confirmed from Incfile. So what I do is just wait. I create an LLC, wait until I get the confirmation, then I head over to the irs.gov website and apply for one. It's like I said, this is super simple as well. It takes like maybe 5 or 10 minutes, and you actually get this right away. They'll email you your EIN number as soon as you apply. As I said, this is the free route. If you guys don't want to pay the $70 fee, you can go this way, or if you guys want to just have Incfile do it for you, and they'll take care of everything for you. Also, I forgot to mention, if you guys do plan on opening an LLC, the best part is you can actually deduct your LLC startup costs at the end of the year. So whatever costs you paid to open your LLC, you can actually write that off because it is for your business. So do you really need an LLC? And my answer is yes. Even if you're not making any money, you never know what can happen later down the road. You just want to stay protected at all times, and you want to be one step ahead of you and your business. So that is it for today's video, guys. This was just a quick walkthrough on how you guys can open up your LLC super fast and cost effectively. If this video has brought value to you or helped you out in any way, please drop a like and subscribe if you guys haven't already. It helps the YouTube algorithm show my videos to more people. But with that being said, I'll see you guys in next week's video. Peace.